Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send Telegram stars to your friends. If you're looking to show some support or appreciation to someone on Telegram, gifting stars is a great way to do it. Let's get started. Main content. To send Telegram stars, first open the Telegram app on your device. From there, go to the Settings tab, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on My Stars to access your star balance. Here, you'll find the option to give stars to a friend. Tap on that option, and you'll be prompted to select the account of the person you want to send stars to. Remember, the minimum amount of stars you can send is 100. If you already have stars in your balance, you can use those directly to send. If not, you may need to top up your balance before proceeding. To add stars, you'll need to have at least 100 in your balance to be able to send them. Once you've selected the recipient and the amount of stars you wish to send, simply tap Send, and the stars will be gifted to your friend. And that's all there is to it. Sending Telegram stars is quick and easy, and it's a fun way to engage with people on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.